What if the next manufacturing boom isn't in giant factories, but in smart, high-demand products that small entrepreneurs can build? Today, I'm revealing 10 manufacturing businesses where demand is rising faster than supply. 1. Toothpaste tablet manufacturing. Let's start with a business that is gaining popularity around the world: toothpaste tablet manufacturing. Most of us are familiar with traditional toothpaste tubes, but consumers are becoming more environmentally conscious and are actively looking for sustainable alternatives. That's where toothpaste tablets come in. These small tablets are easy to carry, convenient for travel, and help reduce plastic waste. As a result, demand is growing steadily, especially among younger consumers and eco-friendly brands. The good news is that you don't need a massive factory to get started. A small production setup can be established using a tablet press machine, a powder mixer, and a drying unit. Once the tablets are manufactured, they can be packaged in reusable containers or eco-friendly packaging. However, this business is not just about making tablets. Since the product is used for oral hygiene, quality is extremely important. Customers expect products that are safe, effective, and pleasant to use. Therefore, maintaining strict quality standards is essential. If you focus on creating unique flavors, attractive packaging, and strong branding, you can build a loyal customer base. With the growing global movement towards sustainable products, toothpaste tablet manufacturing has the potential to become a profitable and future-focused business. 2. Paper water bottle manufacturing. Our second business idea is paper water bottle manufacturing, a sector that is attracting increasing attention as the world searches for alternatives to plastic packaging. Governments, businesses, and consumers are becoming more concerned about environmental sustainability. Because of this, many companies are looking for packaging solutions that reduce plastic waste and support eco-friendly initiatives. Paper water bottles are emerging as one of the most promising alternatives. These bottles are especially popular at premium events, environmentally conscious organizations, and brands that want to strengthen their sustainability image. As awareness continues to grow, demand for innovative packaging solutions is expected to increase significantly. To start this business, you would typically need equipment such as paper molding machines, coating systems, and bottle forming machines. While the production process may sound straightforward, there is one major challenge: creating bottles that are both durable and leak-resistant. Customers will quickly reject products that fail to perform properly. Therefore, product quality and testing must be a top priority. Entrepreneurs who can consistently produce strong, reliable paper bottles have an opportunity to enter a market that is still in its early stages. As regulations against plastic continue to expand, paper water bottle manufacturing could become an increasingly valuable business opportunity in the years ahead. 3. Silica production from rice husk ash. Now, let's look at a manufacturing business that transforms agricultural waste into a valuable industrial product. Rice mills generate large amounts of rice husk ash, which was once considered a waste material. Today, however, this ash is recognized as an important source of silica, a material used in industries such as rubber manufacturing, paints, cosmetics, construction materials, and tire production. This creates an interesting business opportunity because you're converting a low-value byproduct into a product that many industries need. The production process typically involves equipment such as furnaces, grinding units, filtration systems, and drying plants. However, this business requires technical knowledge and careful operational management. Since chemicals are involved in the extraction process, environmental compliance and pollution control are extremely important. Maintaining the required purity and quality levels is also essential because industrial buyers have strict standards. The advantage of this business is that it operates primarily in the business-to-business market. Instead of selling to individual consumers, you can supply manufacturers that require silica for their production process. As industries continue to seek cost-effective and sustainable raw materials, silica production from rice husk ash offers strong long-term potential. With the right expertise and quality control systems in place, this business can become a highly profitable manufacturing venture. 4. Medical disposables manufacturing. Next on our list is medical disposables manufacturing, a business that continues to grow as healthcare services expand around the world. Think about hospitals, clinics, laboratories, and diagnostic centers. Every single day, they use thousands of disposable products such as gloves, face masks, surgical caps, syringes, and other single-use medical supplies. These products are essential because they help maintain hygiene and prevent the spread of infections. One of the biggest advantages of this industry is that demand remains relatively stable. Regardless of economic conditions, healthcare facilities always need medical supplies. As populations grow and healthcare infrastructure expands, the demand for these products is expected to increase even further. To start this business, you can use semi-automatic or fully automatic manufacturing machines depending on your budget and production goals. However, entering this industry requires more than just purchasing equipment. Medical products must meet strict quality standards and healthcare regulations. Certification and compliance are critical because hospitals and healthcare providers prioritize safety and reliability above everything else. If you can consistently produce high-quality products and obtain the necessary approvals, this business can provide long-term growth and steady revenue opportunities. 5. Denim fabric manufacturing. Our fifth business idea is denim fabric manufacturing, a sector that has remained strong despite changing fashion trends. Fashion styles come and go, but denim continues to be one of the most popular fabrics in the world. Whether it's jeans, jackets, shirts, or other clothing products, demand for quality denim remains consistent across local and international markets. This creates opportunities for manufacturers who can produce durable and attractive denim fabrics. To start this business, you'll typically need weaving machines, dyeing units, and finishing equipment. The investment can be significant, but so is the potential market. One of the biggest factors affecting profitability is production efficiency. Costs related to electricity, water consumption, raw materials, and machinery maintenance must be carefully managed. At the same time, maintaining fabric quality is essential because buyers are highly selective when choosing suppliers. A smart strategy is to specialize in a specific segment of the market, such as premium denim, stretch denim, eco-friendly denim, or custom fabrics for local brands. By focusing on quality and consistency, you can build long-term relationships with garment manufacturers and fashion companies. For entrepreneurs interested in textiles, denim manufacturing remains a reliable business with strong market demand. 6. Drone manufacturing business. Let's move on to one of the most exciting industries on this list, drone manufacturing. Just a few years ago, drones were mainly associated with hobbyists and photography enthusiasts. Today, they're being used in agriculture, surveillance, mapping, infrastructure inspection, delivery services, and many other industries. As businesses continue adopting drone technology, the demand for specialized drone solutions is growing rapidly. This creates opportunities for entrepreneurs who are willing to enter this innovative sector. A small-scale drone manufacturing business can begin with assembling frames, installing motors, programming flight controllers, and setting up testing facilities. While this may sound straightforward, success in this industry requires technical expertise and continuous learning. Drone technology evolves quickly, and customers increasingly expect advanced features, reliability, and strong after-sales support. Simply assembling components is often not enough to stand out from competitors. Businesses that offer maintenance services, software updates, pilot training, or industry-specific drone solutions can create additional revenue streams and build stronger customer relationships. With growing applications across multiple industries, drone manufacturing has the potential to become one of the most promising technology-driven manufacturing businesses of the future. Entrepreneurs who invest in innovation and customer support today could be well-positioned for long-term success. 7. AI sensor manufacturing business. Our seventh business idea is AI sensor manufacturing, a sector that sits at the heart of the automation revolution. Today, artificial intelligence is transforming industries ranging from transportation and healthcare to manufacturing and home automation. Behind many of these smart systems are sensors that collect data and help machines make intelligent decisions. AI sensors are now widely used in electric vehicles, smart homes, industrial equipment, security systems, and automated factories. As businesses continue to automate their operations, demand for advanced sensors is expected to grow rapidly. Starting this business requires specialized equipment such as PCB assembly machines, chip placement systems, testing equipment, and calibration tools. While the technology may seem complex, it offers significant opportunities for entrepreneurs with technical expertise. One of the biggest challenges is precision. Even a minor calibration error can affect performance and lead to costly quality issues. That's why quality control and technical accuracy are absolutely critical. As industries continue moving toward automation and smart technologies, AI sensor manufacturing has the potential to become a highly profitable business. Entrepreneurs who focus on innovation, reliability, and product quality can position themselves in one of the fastest-growing sectors of the modern economy. 8. EV battery manufacturing. Next, let's talk about one of the most talked about industries in the world today: EV battery manufacturing. Electric vehicles are becoming increasingly popular as governments and consumers shift toward cleaner transportation solutions. However, while vehicle production continues to expand, battery manufacturing is still struggling to keep up with demand. This supply gap creates a major opportunity for manufacturers willing to enter the industry. EV batteries are not only used in electric cars and scooters, but also in solar energy storage systems and backup power solutions. Starting a battery manufacturing business requires substantial investment in cell assembly machines, battery testing equipment, cooling systems, and safety infrastructure. This is not a simple manufacturing operation, as battery production involves strict safety requirements and technical expertise. Certification alone can take several months before products can be sold commercially. Additionally, raw material costs and rapid technological changes can create ongoing challenges. Despite these obstacles, long-term demand remains strong. As electric mobility and renewable energy adoption continue to grow worldwide, the need for reliable battery solutions is expected to increase significantly. For entrepreneurs with the resources and commitment to succeed, this sector offers enormous long-term potential. 9. Ready-to-cook food manufacturing. Our 9th business idea is ready-to-cook food manufacturing, a business driven by today's fast-paced lifestyle. Modern consumers are busier than ever. Many people want meals that are quick and convenient without sacrificing taste or quality. This shift in consumer behavior has created strong demand for ready-to-cook products. Items such as frozen parathas, instant gravy mixes, dosa batter, marinated foods, and semi-cooked snacks are becoming increasingly popular in urban households. To start this business, you'll need equipment such as food mixers, sealing machines, packaging systems, and cold storage facilities. While the machinery is important, product quality is what ultimately determines success. Food safety regulations must be followed carefully, and proper certifications are essential before entering the market. Hygiene standards must remain consistently high throughout the production process. The advantage of this industry is that demand tends to grow alongside urbanization and changing lifestyles. If you can create products that save customers time while delivering excellent taste, you can build a strong and loyal customer base. With the convenience food market expanding every year, this business offers attractive growth opportunities. 10. Organic cosmetics manufacturing. Our 10th business idea is organic cosmetics manufacturing, one of the fastest-growing segments within the beauty and personal care industry. Today's consumers are paying closer attention to what they put on their skin. As a result, products made with natural ingredients are gaining popularity across both local and international markets. Organic soaps, herbal face packs, lip balms, body creams, and skincare products are attracting customers who want safer and more natural alternatives to traditional cosmetics. One of the attractive features of this business is that it can be started on a relatively small scale. A basic setup may include mixing machines, filling machines, and labeling equipment. Even a modest production facility can manufacture thousands of units every day. However, success in the cosmetics industry depends heavily on trust. Customers expect safe, effective, and high-quality products. Therefore, quality testing, regulatory compliance, and transparent ingredient sourcing are extremely important. With the continued rise of e-commerce and growing consumer awareness about natural products, organic cosmetics manufacturing offers excellent opportunities for entrepreneurs looking to build a recognizable and trusted brand. If one of these ideas sparked your interest, subscribe for more future-ready business opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.